In today's video, we're going to be reviewing Sparks. It is a brand new breakthrough ED medication that has a two-in-one treatment of both Viagra and Cialis. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you guys through their website, show you exactly what Sparks is, tell you how it works, and then we'll also deep dive into Reddit and kind of go over some user experiences of people who have actually tried out Sparks, and I'll show you guys what the results were. Now, unlike some other YouTubers, I actually have Sparks right here. I've tried it out and I've used it myself. So if you guys are interested in my own experience from using Sparks, make sure you stay through all the way to the end of the video and I'll let you know about that. So without further ado, let's just hop right into it. So let me come over here and make my screen a little bit smaller. But as you can see, I'm actually on their website right here. So it tells you right here that it is a two-in-one treatment. Has active ingredients from both Viagra and Cialis. So most ED medications, guys, like things like Blue Chew, just regular normal Viagra, they only have one thing in them. They only have one ingredient, which is usually sildenafil. Sildenafil is just another word for Viagra. But as far as I know, Sparks is the only company that has combined both ingredients, so both Viagra and Cialis, into one. So you guys can see right here, this is what it looks like. What it is what a Sparks is it's a long-lasting treatment in a new sublingual form. So what that means, guys, is that it's just a lozenge. If you guys can see on my camera right here, I'll make the video a little bit bigger, but I actually have a Sparks actual tablet right here, and it's a lozenge, guys. Basically, it's just like a little candy, and you put it underneath your tongue and let it dissolve for, as they say on the website, about 15 minutes, and then the effects start kicking in. So how it works is that it actually gets you hard in about 15 minutes on average after it dissolves and keeps you ready for up to 36 hours with the tadalafil. So guys, the difference between sildenafil and tadalafil, the difference between Viagra and Cialis, is that Viagra usually only works for a few hours, usually about 4 to 6 hours, but Cialis stays in your system for about 36 hours. So from Ro combining the two together, it literally is just like a supercharged cocktail of ED medication to make it where you're gonna actually be supercharged for so long. Stick around to the end of the video because I'm gonna let you guys know my personal experience, but I'll just say, I'll give you guys a little hint, it surprised me. So as you guys can see, it's like, how do you take it? Sparks are very intentionally designed to dissolve under your tongue over several minutes, not immediately. So I noticed this as well too, guys. It did take about 15 minutes for the tablet to dissolve. It's like a little candy. This is supposed to maximize the amount of medication delivered directly to your bloodstream for faster effect. So if you were to take Cialis or Viagra by itself, normally, guys, you do want to take it about an hour before you do the deed, just because it takes a little bit of a while for it to kick in. But with the Sparks, guys, and I can actually attest to this from me trying it, after 15 minutes, my big boy was ready. So yeah, you just place it underneath your tongue, super easy. Now they do say avoid having food or other liquid in your mouth when Sparks are dissolving. So of course you can't have anything else in your mouth, like you can't drink water or you can't be like drinking alcohol or anything while you are letting it dissolve. But the cool thing about Sparks too, guys, that I noticed was that unlike other ED supplements, ED medications, you can actually have had food in your stomach before. So if you guys know anything about like Viagra, Cialis, normally they say, hey, don't have any food in your stomach. But with this, you can have it. We're just gonna hop over here, guys, real quick because I did do a deep dive on Reddit, and people have kind of been giving some conflicting results. So you'll see on this forum, this guy asked if anybody has tried Sparks. He says he tried the lozenge, and he said that they might as well just be cough drops. They were completely ineffective for him. So that's kind of interesting because a lot of people haven't been saying that from what I've seen. But if you come down here, you'll see this guy says that you're paying for 4 times the same medication available elsewhere. Another guy said he tried and he experimented personally, but the sublingual didn't work for him. He tried it this weekend and that he's 69 and was having success with Viagra, but brought the idea of not having to plan / time intake with this new compound. So what I told you guys earlier, if you don't want to plan like an hour ahead, then look, he said it did not start to work in 15 minutes after fully dissolving. It did not work as well as the Viagra I had taken in the past. Wow, this guy said 24 hours later, actually, he started to develop a rash, thought it was poison ivy. 48 hours later, it was hives. 72 hours later, his lips started to swell. So this is crazy, guys. This is like a complete disaster. This guy did not have a good experience at all. Now, if you come down here, this guy said, these work incredibly. I've had some difficulty getting rock hard the way I used to, and more so, I've had problems staying hard. I have used these 3 times, and each time I got harder than I've ever gotten before, and was able to get hard a second time after a half hour or so, and blank again. Haven't been able to do that in a long time. So this guy had like a really good result. The couple people before him, they were either saying that it was ineffective, like it didn't work, or this guy said that he got a whole rash off of it. But this guy said it worked well for him. This guy said it worked well, but it tasted horrible. This guy said he had to spit it out. It takes forever to dissolve and tastes terrible. So I will say, guys, from my use on using it, the things that I would agree with from like what people have been saying from that Reddit thread was that I do agree that it didn't taste the best. When I was actually using Rose Sparks myself, it did not taste that good. Now, if you guys know anything about my channel, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Alton. I do review a lot of ED medications on here. So I have tried things like Blue Chew in the past, and I will say objectively, Blue Chew tastes a lot better to me specifically. So although Rose Sparks looks a little bit cooler with like the flame on it and everything, the design is cool, it does not taste that good. But let's hop into this other Reddit thread, guys, because this one actually looked pretty interesting to me as well. I was researching it. So this guy has a review. He says, so I tried Rose Sparks. I ordered Rose Sparks about a week ago and tried it. I usually use US Royal Honey. I use honey packs too, guys. It's actually something that I review on my channel. If you guys want to see another video about honey packs, check right up here. But he says he usually uses Royal Honey, but it's been giving me headaches lately, so I decided to try something else. This stuff works so well, and I have whatever leakage this means. I invited my ex over, and we had great, like, was so hard. Here's some pros and cons from my experience. Pros, he had a great erection. Stays in your system for about 24 hours, so I was able to have blank multiple times and wake up the next morning and have more. Wow, so he said he was able to have a lot, guys. Like, he was able to interact with his partner a lot. Then he also said he had delayed ejaculation. This might be a con for some people, but she loved it. This is something that I experienced as well too, guys. So if you have a hard time lasting a long time, me personally, I can kind of be a two pump chump at times. Like, I'm 25, so just being younger can be harder to control it at times. But with Rose Sparks, I noticed, guys, I was able to last a long time. Like, if I normally could last 5-10 minutes off of this little Rose Sparks, guys, I was able to last for like 30-45 minutes, which is a big improvement. Cons, though. See what the bad parts said. Cons, was hard at times when I didn't want it to be hard. When I had to use the bathroom, when I cuddled with my ex in the shower, etc. After I finally came, I got dizzy and lost my hearing for a few seconds, and my sight became slightly blurry, and my breathing was short, and I thought I was about to, what? Guys, this is crazy. This is actually a terrible con. I told my ex to take me to the hospital, but I drank some water and sat down and was all right. This lasted about a minute. Okay, well, that's not too bad. Slight headache the next day, but it wasn't as bad as the Royal Honey. It didn't last long. So, guys, you have to decide if it's worth it for you guys, because this guy said this section right here of him getting dizzy and thinking that, his breathing was short and he needs to go to the hospital, that's insane. I will say right off the bat, guys, and this has kind of been my complaint about Rose Sparks. Guys can see on my package right here, but I don't know if you guys can see, but Rose Sparks has 55 milligrams of sildenafil and 22 milligrams of tadalafil. So the reason why he was having all these crazy effects, why he was having all these crazy side effects, was because that's one thing that I put in my other video reviewing Rose Sparks. These things are very strong, guys. Like, in this tiny little package, like the lozenge here, this is actually one of the strongest ED medicines that I've seen ever. Like, it's so strong. So that feeling that he got of him feeling dizzy, losing his hearing, his sight became blurry, and his breathing was short. Now, that is something that I feel like a good amount of people could experience if you take the whole thing. Now, I didn't tell you guys earlier, but when I actually took Rose Sparks, I didn't take the whole thing because I knew that this was very strong. I actually cut it in half and only used half of it, guys. So my recommended dosage for you guys, and this is not medical advice, this is a disclaimer, this is not health advice at all, just from informational and educational purposes for my own self using it, you want to only take half, if not even a quarter of it, because the whole thing by itself is kind of too much, guys. It's kind of crazy. So I don't really think it's worth it if you're going to have side effects like this, though. Now, down here, the comments were, how long was the delayed ejacu? You know, curious to know, as I have a really sensitive, wondering how long I can delay it. And then this guy's basically just saying that it's expensive. But yeah, guys, people have had a really wide range of experiences from using Roast Spark. So I will say from my own experience, the benefits that I noticed was that yes, I was able to last a lot longer. I was able to go rounds because since it is so strong, you do stay hard for like a long time. Even after you finish, like after you finish and you bust and everything, literally after like 1 minute, you're able to go again. So the benefits would be that you can last longer, you can go rounds, and then also since it pumps so much blood flow down there, it actually makes it look bigger, and for your partner, it's gonna feel bigger too. So it does kind of help increase your size as well. Now, if you don't want to use medications, guys, I do have a resource, the first resource in the description below. You can click that if you want to learn how to actually grow your size naturally and not have to use medicines like this. But if you want to skip steps and kind of just get right to it, something like Roast Sparks does actually help you increase your size down there. But overall, guys, I will say I'd probably give it like a 7 out of 10. I like it in general, you know. There are some side effects like, you know, the headaches, the nasal stuffiness, flushing, dizziness, upset stomach, and I did experience all of these. Not as much as that guy did in the Reddit when he was talking about how he thought he was gonna, you know what, and he needs to go to the hospital. It wasn't that bad for me. Again, I took half instead of the full one, but I think Roast Sparks is a cool alternative than like traditional ED meds. If you don't want to have to go to your doctor or anything, it's very convenient that you can just come online and like fill out the questionnaire. Now, if you guys want me to actually go through and show you how it's like to order it, I can do that in another video. Comment down below because it's super easy. It's dope because you don't have to talk to anybody. You don't even have to like Zoom call or hop on the telephone with anybody. You just literally answer questions on this website. Like when you click start now over here, you just answer a couple questions, and then if you pass it, basically they just mail it to your house. So it's super easy. Down here it tells you a little bit how to get it. But yeah, I'll make a full video on that if you guys want. But give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, guys. Hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications because I do post videos like this every single day. And if this video resonated with you guys, I actually have another video fully reviewing Roast Sparks right over here. So check that out next. I love you guys. I'll speak with you very soon. I'll see you tomorrow.